great. It's shiny.
This is a
works.
receptacle for gas. Yes.
So yeah, this is an EFI conversion fuel tank. So inside of it, there's a fuel pump surrounded by a baffle. So at all times, fuel is held near the fuel pump. Constant fuel pressure means that the EFI is always going to be injecting the proper amount of fuel. So that's why in-tank fuel pumps are so important. The beauty of it is you're just dropping the old tank and replacing with new. You got your fuel lines hooked up already. You just got to route your 2 fuel lines up to the front, under the hood, and then we'll plumb it all up there.
All right, so what are we looking at here? What are we running currently?
All right, so it looks like it's a standard 4-barrel carburetor with a 4-barrel intake. The cool thing with this is we have an option for this. So if we wanted to do a 4-barrel intake conversion, we can totally get you hooked up without having to touch the intake manifold.
Okay.
But we're trying to increase the cool factor, so that intake's gonna go.
Yep.
We're gonna put a 6-pack intake on and put one of the 6-pack systems on.
Awesome.
As far as hooking it up, I mean, pulling the intake, we'll drop the new intake on, and then just like the carburetors are, we'll just slap the 3 carburetor lookalikes on, and then we'll lay all the wiring, we'll tuck it up behind the car, we'll hide a computer somewhere, or we may put it nice and visible so people could look at it. They're pretty cool. And then we'll have to build some fuel lines. We'll have to hook up a new linkage setup. But that's pretty much everything that's under the hood.
Are you ready to see the FiTech Six Pack? Not so fast. You're gonna have to wait till episode 3 we'll be releasing Friday morning. All right guys, so that FiTech Six Pack is all buttoned up. I gotta say, it feels great to get back behind this wheel. Check out, let me say it one more time. All right guys, that FiTech Six Pack is all buttoned up under the hood. I wanna do more of like, and let's put the pedal to the metal, something like that. Yeah. Let's get this thing on the road and let her eat, or something like that. Fuck, what do I wanna say? Let's get this thing on the street and put the pedal to the floor. All right. Let her rip, bro, let her rip. All right, guys, that FiTech Six Pack is all buttoned up under the hood. It feels great to get back in the driver's seat of this car. Now let's get this thing on the asphalt and see what she can do.